What's up, guys? Doing a little kayak fishing video. That'll be the greatest intro ever. Catch a fish on intro. Could it be? I don't think so. Anyway, gonna be doing a little fishing around this here lake. But as for my best setup of the day, it's a, I don't know what kind of rig you consider this. 2 more casts with the camera still on. So let's make these count. I made a count. I did not just bird nest. We're good. Whoops. Ooh. Ooh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh dear. First time for everything, right? 2 rods are hung up in the exact same tree. Okay. Whatever, bro. Okay. Undo this one. Hopefully there's no slithers, serpents, Mr. No Shoulders, whatever you call them, bro. Hope there's none of them in here. Oh dear. Alright, forget. What? That's not good. There. Okay. You know what? Okay. I already know the title of this video. Kayak fishing gone wrong. Let's see. I cast it into there. I've got my fly rod and my rod holder, so that's why I'm not putting the bait cast there, but she's on standby in case we come across some. Actually, right here, big. All those are big drops. I can do this little number here, like that. Oh, I'm brilliant. I am brilliant, man. Don't have a good cover for your camera? Use a croc, man. Crocs is where it's at. It's raining so hard. Oh god. Okay, is there shelter? There's shelter. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. Oh, yeah. That's good. That's great. That's fun. Okay, we're getting under shelter. See ya. I got soaked in literally like 3 seconds. Alright, that's fun. Okay. What your cow? Ooh. Beauty cast. As the evening presses on, I'm probably going to jump over to top water so we can really get that good skadoosh noises. I got one. Finally. I got one too. Yes, sir. Let's not get pinned. Yes, sir. Finally. Let me release some of this so I have plenty of room to mess with them. I was just sitting right here and all of a sudden I saw my line running towards me and running away. Look at that. Look at that. Little, about a pound. I pegged him. So good. Look at that right there. Crushed it. He hit it hard too, and I gave him the old hook set and he came out of the water. He was like, escape. And I said, nope, not today. And then I reached down and tried to turn y'all on. I'm like, okay, I gotta get most of this catch on. There we go. That came out really easy, actually. I was surprised. Let's go. Bass number 1, ladies and gents. Be free. Dude, he's just chilling. He was so, man, whew, I'm excited now. I'm not gonna lie, I was probably about 2 minutes after I just turned off the camera. Because it was like, I've made about 3 casts since I turned off the camera, so yeah, give or take 3-4 minutes. Nice cast. I'm pulling out of this cove. Finally, a good cast. What the heck? Finally. It took too long. So it's a heavy bump there. I think I'm just hitting bottom. Yeah, I'm just hitting bottom. Oh, maybe not. I was actually on the up pull there. Oh, I got a bass, guys. I got a bass. Got him. Don't come off. Please don't come off. Come on. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. That's how we do it. Let me get down here. We all can get a good look at this bad boy. Not huge, but look at that. Whoa. But say, look at that hook placement. But then he flipped out, so. I mean, he's still in the boat. Ow. Spine me. Why does that work so good? Why do I need to try that? Anyway, folks. Little dinky. That's probably a 1 pounder. The one I caught earlier there is probably about 1.5 pounds actually, but not a bad bass.
So guys, that was the end of that one. I unfortunately did not get that last fish on camera. My phone died like literally about give or take 4 minutes right before I caught that fish. So